So let's face it, we've all been there. You come out of your house in the morning, you go to hop in your vehicle, and your battery is dead. So in this video, I'll show you how to use a battery charger on your vehicle and what to do. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help us out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great content coming out. You don't want to miss anything. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to use a battery charger that I have. This thing's kind of old. I think it was left over from the old Ice Age. But this one actually charges 6 volts and 12 volts. So I have a 12 volt system in my Jeep right here that I'm going to use to demonstrate on. So I'm going to make sure that's on 12 volts. And let's hook this up and I'll show you what to do. So before you hook the charger up to the battery, take a look at the battery terminals and see if they're clean or if there's like all corrosion all over them. Usually it'll show up as like, you know, a bunch of white flaky stuff. Don't touch it, it's battery acid. What you're going to want to do is, if you have a lot of corrosion on the battery terminals, loosen these up and clean them out. I have a battery terminal cleaner right here. There's a spot in the end to clean the posts off, so you'll clean those. Right under this cap there's a wire brush, and that is used to clean the middle, like, of your terminal, the battery cable. So what you can do before you touch those, if there is corrosion on the battery cables on the ends, you can mix up some baking soda and a little bit of water and pour that over. Make sure that the battery cap's on open if it's a battery that requires maintenance. You can pour that over the battery terminals, and that'll help to get away any of the acid and corrosion. Put some gloves on when you're handling these. You don't want to have the acid touch your fingers because it could burn you or something like that, or irritate your skin. So if that's the case, take these off and clean them up. And once it's all clean, you're ready to hook up your battery charger. Right, so when you're about to charge your battery, what you want to do is don't plug in the battery charger yet. You want to hook up the battery charger ends to the terminals. Make sure the red one's positive, the black one is negative. So make sure the positive is on the positive. Hook up the positive first, and then hook up the negative second. The reason why you want to do it that way is that there's less chance of having it spark and like shorting something out. Now that you have your battery charger connected, you can plug it into the outlet and start charging your battery. So what you're going to want to do is read the owner's manual on directions on your battery charger that it came with. But typically it'll have a meter on it, and the needle will move as your battery is starting to charge. And when it's at its proper level, you can shut the battery charger off. Once your battery is all charged, remove your positive one first, then remove the negative one last, and you should be all set. So that's all there really is to it. There's a little bit of a procedure and the way order you want to do things, like hooking the battery terminals up and taking them off and plugging the actual battery charger in. So I just wanted to explain all that to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, leave a comment and we'll reply back. Thanks for watching, guys.